Well, I don't know if it's only me, but Umusa unomkhobholo nkosi yami. So Umusa feels that there was absolutely no need for Usogalezwe to take Usandile as his best man because they grew up together, so he should be the best man by default. Abomalume bayavumelana naye ukuthi kuze kanjani ukuthi uthathe umuntu wangaphandle. I'm like, what do you mean? But idolobha lingangeni kakhulu mfana wami to a point where you feel ukuthi abantu abangaphandle yibo abafanele ukuhamba phambili. Umndeni uwona ohamba phambili. And he says Usandile has been with me for a long time to a point where it feels like he's a brother to me. But again, Usandile athi I ngokukhulu ukuzithoba bengicela ukuthi the groom is the one that should decide who to take as the best man or not. Bathi lalelo bani bekakhuluma ubani bekakhuluma nawe sikhuluma indaba zomndeni la as a matter of fact you shouldn't even be in the table. Which now did not sit well with Usandile. For some unknown reason, I felt like that was the time where he felt most like an outsider when this conversation was happening. My take would have been that they shouldn't have had this conversation a corner. They could have just taken it at anywhere else. But again, well, Umusa again, being Umusa, well, what can you say? Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing a House of Zwedendi Madekwana Sanbonan Abshin Molweni Minjani Hipukile Hingongwina. So namuhla ka nongokwa hina wa House of Zwide hikuma koroslo samseka ngikahle looking at the fact that uMampho uyashada ekushadeni kwakhe uMampho kuyabuzwa ke lapho ukuthi okay, now that we are here as a family, everyone ufeletsi Isaac is back from jail. Now return to more pressing issues. Well, before the pressing issues, Mampho tried to cook breakfast, which was and then about okay, fine. Besides, now the TikTok where you can get information on how the step to step on how to do things. Guys, okay, on a step to step, I'm like, oh wait, mic down. Atigena umaria, okay, it's fine, don't worry about the matzahopeka. Nali Pinky, we will make sure that we sort it out. Okay, fine. So now bangeni ndabeni zokuthi okay Malin. But again umlifathi shem lo mntana usase right in so I'm thinking maybe 17k. Yo ngathi bangamluma 17k lutho. Mina bengicaba uMampho njalo. Ngicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe rikabuwa pakeng tsa bo 170,000 yo akahlekanga kanje mlifo ukuthi akhale 170 what. And then now they started arguing there, and then Mr. Isaac Molapo said, you know what, I'm going to go in and assist you. So when we do Mahadi Lobola, they actually look at, are we getting married, are we sitata ichichi or sitata intombi or sitata umuntu segazele. So those three things they matter, which actually makes the price to go extremely down if somebody onumntwana to marry ushuktingani yami mina half. And then by that I was just thinking it's Soka gonna eat half, because she also said, if you remember, which okay, when are you gonna have half emtaneni wa mom joti intombazane? And I kind of think like that's not fair. If they want ichichi, is the guy chichi as well? Okay, but that's collabo. I'm just saying, I'm just thinking. Anywho, Palisa and Nkosi, they had a conversation at the coffee shop, and Nkosi did indicate how he feels about Palisa, and Palisa was quiet listening. And as Nkosi was about to leave, and then he said, okay, I see that you don't feel the same way. Palisa laughed, and then that means that they started amotimak. And then that actually it means they sealed it with a kiss with okay sebayathandana. From there, boom, baya mashiti namhlophe. How Nkosi yami answer, hey yazumjolo wamanje. Then the next thing, Nkosi, Faith, Ona have a meeting in the office, and then now the meeting was adjourned, and then Faith Faith and Ona were leaving the office as Palisa walks in. Palisa had lunch. She said she brought lunch for Nkosi, and then they were having a conversation there. The conversation that led to them kissing again. In them kissing again, Onaleruna decides to come back, and then she said she forgot her phone. She walked on them kissing. Ooh, she was upset. She was livid. You could see from her face she's angry. And I don't understand why. Why is she angry? Because and not that I'm a mean person. I'm just saying, like, I don't understand why she's being angry. Now, this would appear as if Nkosi was having this relationship all this time. And that's not true. Oh, Nkosi, it's got another sad ringtone to it, because the truth will never come out, if you get what I mean. Anywho, Mr. Isaac Molapo decided that he was going to go and see Molefe and said thank you very much. Knowing Molefe, if that was wine or whatever, I don't drink, so I don't know what that was, but I know it was alcohol. I sure Molefe perform, I don't know, swara no sa tshwanela like anything, mara that time utlisa matsogo to collect the wine. Yeah, the way Molefe a ratang ka teng bev ne. I'll see you in my next episode.